The one you have been waiting for. Introducing the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Welcome everyone, I'm Zilla, and I was lucky enough to get a hands-on with the Mate 20 Pro, and I will be giving you my first impressions of this fantastic device. The Mate 20 Pro looks stunning, as Huawei has opted to go with a metal frame sandwiched between two panes of curved glass. It comes in 4 different colors: emerald green, midnight blue, black and the gorgeous twilight. There are also 2 different glass finishes on the back, the traditional glossy glass and a new hyper-optical pattern which gives the glass a textured finish which reduces fingerprints and offers more grip. The Mate 20 Pro has been created with the new entrepreneurs in mind, and therefore Huawei have made this a powerhouse to handle everything thrown at it. Basically, brawn to go with that beauty. It is running Huawei's new 7nm Kirin 980 chipset with a Cortex A76 CPU and Mali G76 GPU, and the icing on the cake, a dual NPU which can recognize 4,500 images per minute, and with everything combined we have a 134% AI performance boost and power efficiency is up by 88%. And with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of built-in storage, which is expandable. Huawei have also thrown in a 4200 mAh battery, so no need to compromise on your usage, as a 30-minute charge will give you 70% battery capacity, using Huawei's new Max 40W supercharged technology built in. But it doesn't end there. We now have 15W high efficiency wireless charging built in, which will wirelessly charge your Mate 20 Pro 160% faster than an iPhone X. The Mate 20 Pro will itself wirelessly charge another Qi-enabled device by placing it on the back of your phone, a first. Of course, nothing I have mentioned matters unless the screen is up to par, and again Huawei have smashed it. They have included a 6.39-inch OLED HDR10 2K plus 19.5:9 aspect ratio beast of a screen, which houses a notch. This time the notch is bigger than the P20 Pro because now the Mate 20 Pro has 3D face unlock with dot projection technology and a 24 megapixel camera, plus a secondary speaker housed in that notch, making it an acceptable addition. The screen has one more trick up its sleeve. It now houses an in-screen fingerprint reader, which works great in my short time using it. Finally, let's talk about the cameras. I have already broached on the selfie camera, but what about the triple threat on the back of the phone? Housed in the rounded square, we have a 40 megapixel wide-angle lens at f1.8, a 20 megapixel ultra-wide angle sensor at f2.2, and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens at f2.4, topped off with a dual-tone flash. These cameras are capable of macro shots from 2.5 centimeters from the subject, monochrome, ultra-wide, and thanks to the AI technology built into the Mate 20 Pro, is able to handle 4D predictive focus, object recognition and active tracking in real-time motion. The Mate 20 Pro is even capable of producing Sin City portrait color effects. And with OIS and AIS built in, could this be the best smartphone camera in 2018? In summary, the Huawei Mate 20 Pro is the complete package. It even has IP68 water and dust resistance, a wireless desktop experience, dual speakers, Emotion UI 9.0, Android Pie and so much more. I just couldn't bring it all up in this video. First impressions? I love it. Huawei has produced a smartphone that ticks all the boxes for me. The in-hand ergonomics, design, battery, cameras, power, and features lift the Mate 20 Pro to new heights in the saturated smartphone market, and it shines head and shoulders above the competition. Of course, this is only my first impressions of handling the Mate 20 Pro, and I can't wait to get more hands-on time with it. What do you think of it so far? Let me know in the comments below. Smash that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up and share it with others, as I will have many more Mate 20 Pro videos coming up. Until next time, take care and peace.